I started out as a carpenter, coming in, working with my hands, quickly progressed to a foreman, then went from a foreman in the field to a superintendent, and most recently was the opportunity for a division manager role with the construction services division. So I'll be managing 121 field employees and approximately 15 to 18 office employees. We'll be working with service groups from all the divisions. We'll be working from the mechanical division, the utility division, to the building division, where they all come together and we are out there for the customer, for the service, and really looking at how we can service the customer and provide a great opportunity for their challenges. When I began in the company, there were plenty of opportunities for professional training. One of the first ones I did was I became an instructor for the apprentice program and actually started teaching the Carpenter's Apprentice Program and Laborer's Apprentice Program at R.H. White. I enjoyed that very immensely. It was really fun to have a lot of the guys working hands-on next to me. And further down the road, the opportunity came with educational assistance, and I achieved my MBA at Nichols College to help further my growth at R.H. White. There's several things that have made me stay at R.H. White Construction. One of the first ones is the family-oriented company, the whole family setting, and being able to work amongst people that you enjoy working with. But one of the other exciting things is the ability to grow, the ability to learn, continue to learn. Starting in the early part of the business in the field, using that experience, everybody saying, wow, that's great, keep going, and the support that you get to keep moving up the ladder, to keep challenging yourself, and knowing that even when you take the next step, even if you step a little bit off or are unstable, there's going to be people that are going to help you, and you're going to learn from it, and you're going to feel really good when you make it through that tough time.